3 ways to instantly improve your guitar's performance. Tip number 1. If you're playing live and you have a guitar that has the input jack right there, to prevent the cable from pulling out if you accidentally step on it, all you have to do is put cable through this end of the strap and then plug it in. Now, if you step on the cord, it won't pull out. Tip number 2. If you have a guitar with a tremolo system like this, sometimes the springs in the back can be quite noisy. To fix it, all you have to do is flip over your guitar, open that plate up, be careful not to lose the screws. Then just take any old piece of cloth, in this case I have an old piece of a wool sock, and just shove it over the springs to dampen the noise. And then what you would want to do is just screw the cover back on. The plate is screwed back on and no more annoying rattles. Number 3. If your strings are sounding dead, but you don't have the time or money to replace them, what you can do really quickly is grab each string individually and then slap it against the fretboard like that, all the way down. And repeat it for each of the strings. Get a cloth and just wipe each of the strings down like this. Hold the string, each of the rest of the strings that aren't wrapped, and just run them down like that. Congratulations, you increased your strings life by probably 2 times. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.